This is ta, okay?
Okay.
Let me read them to you. Let me read them to you line by line and you repeat them after me, okay?
Okay.
It's better. A, you know it. Ba has the shape of a plate, a point below it. Ta has a line above it, okay? Tha, this is tha, tha, okay? Tha has like a hat here, okay? Ba, ta, tha. Notice ba, ta, and tha, they have the same shape, but one point below, one line above, one a hat above it. Ja, okay? Ja. Ja has a point here. Ha doesn't have anything. Kha has a point above it. So, a, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha. Yalla, the first four now. First, the first four. Yeah, read.
A,
Yes.
ba,
Yes.
ta,
Yes.
and tha.
Ta. Then.
Ja,
Yes.
ha,
Yes.
and ha.
Kha. Okay. Now you can know the difference between ba, ta, and tha. Okay, you understood it? Ja,
Yes.
and kha. You understood the difference between it when you see them? One has
Yes.
a point, one without a point, one has a dot above it. Okay, it's very easy. Type. Okay. Do you still remember the ra shape? What does it? Oh, I said it. The banana shape is called ra. Okay. The one that has above it a point, it's za. Ra, za. Yani they both have a banana shape, but this is ra, okay, and this is za. Ra, za. Okay. This is da, da. Okay. This is da. Notice da without a point, a point above it. Da, the, ra, za. Okay. This is what sa. You know sa. The one with hat, sha. Okay, now there's something that has similar. I'll put them here. One soft, one heavy. For letters, you mentioned them soft and heavy, okay? Now let's repeat. Da, the, ra, za, sa, sha. Yeah.
Da, the, ra, za, sa.
Okay, okay. And
Sha.
here you said sa softly, okay? Say this letter heavily at the same as sa, but say it heavily. Sa,
Sa.
sa. One sa soft, one sa heavy, okay?
Okay.
Type. This is what?
Da.
Da. Say this heavily.
Da.
Da, da.
Okay. Da.
Are you getting it? Yeah? Heidi?
Yes.
Okay. Heidi, do you have a paper in front of you? If you want to write these, it's very important.
Okay.
Yalla, if you want. So let's read again while you're. Let me ask you about the letters by myself. What's this, Heidi?
Ra.
Okay. What's this, Heidi?
Ba.
Okay. What's this, Heidi?
Ta.
Ta. Wow. What's this, Heidi, that has a hat the same as ba?
Tha.
Ta. Wow. What's this?
Za.
Okay. What's this?
Sa.
Sa soft. What's the heavy for sa?
Sa.
Sa. Where is sa? After what?
At the end. After sha.
Okay. So this is sa, and this is what?
Sa. Oh, that is sha.
Look, Heidi. This is sa, okay? Soft and heavy. I have something to tell you that when the sa above it a point, what does it become?
A long sound. That's da.
Da. Make it heavy.
Da.
Da. Okay? Da, da. Sa, sa. I'm just making things easy to you. So this is sa without a point. This is da with a point. Okay? Ta. To me, this is ta. Okay? What's the heavy sound for ta? Make this heavy.
Ta.
Ta. Bravo. Ta. Okay? The same. Ta, 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 ta. When I put this a point, read this word.
Da.
This have a point. When it has a point, it's the. The. Okay, make it heavy.
Da.
The. So ta, heavy, the with a point. Ta without a dot, the with a dot, okay? This will make things very, very easy to you in reading, okay? In knowing the letters, okay? So da, ta, the, ah. Say it.
Ah.
Ah. Say it. Confusing. Okay, ah. This is gha. This is what?
Kha.
Gha, not kha, gha. Gha. Say it.
Kha.
You are pronouncing it kha. It's gha. Gha.
Kha.
Okay, this is what? Fa.
Fa.
Look at the fa. To differentiate between fa and this is qa. Okay, to differentiate between fa and qa, fa has the shape of the plate of ba, but what does you add to it a circle and a dot above it. Okay, so when you remember fa, remember that Miss Malak told you that we have the shape of the plate of ba. Okay, this is fa. This is what? Qa. Qa. Now I put the heavy qa. Please mention to me the soft.
Ka.
Ka. This is ka. Okay? This is ka. So let's read from a till ka. Yalla.
From a to ka.
Yes. Yalla.
Okay. A. Ba. Ta. Tha. Ja. Okay. Vamos começar a ser já. Ha.
Yes.
Ha.
Bravo.
Da.
Yes.
Da. Ra.
Yes.
Ja.
Za.
Za.
This is ja.
Right. Sa.
Yes.
Sha.
Sa goes with who? With what for the heavy?
Sa.
Sa. If you wrote these, every time we enter the lecture, keep this in front of you as a table, okay? This is what?
Da.
Da. Bravo. This is what?
Da.
Yes. This is ta. Goes with ta. This is da. Goes with what?
Da.
Yes. What's this?
That's fa.
Fa. Then what's this?
Ka.
Qa. So fa is the shape of a plate. Qa has the shape of this letter na. It's too small from this side. And then you add a circle. Difference between fa. Fa is the shape of a plate, like ba, and the qa is the shape of the letter na, and but above it a line. Fa above it a dot. Okay. Okay. Qa. Qa heavy. This what? Qa heavy, soft. Ka. Ka. Okay. Then, if you remember,
La.
then,
Ma.
then, na.
Na.
So na, dot above, ba dot below. Okay? This is ha. This is the first letter of your name, Heidi. Look how do you write it. Triangle, small circle like this, okay? Ha,
Okay.
then wa. Wa, then ya.
Wa.
Then
Yeah.
ya. Clear?
Yes.
Did you get the letters now? Yani if you see the letters, type. Did you write these, Heidi?
Yes.
Okay, so I erase now.
Okay.
Okay, let me ask you about letters هيك thoroughly. What's this letter?
Which one? Oh, fa.
Fa. What's this letter?
Sa.
What's the heavy one for sa?
Sa.
Yes. Where's sa after what?
Sha.
What is the letter that has a banana shape?
Ra.
Ra. What is the letter that has a banana shape and above it a point?
Za.
Yes. Type. What is the letter that has a plate and the point below it?
A plate and point below it.
Yes, plate.
Ba.
Ba. Type. What is the letter that has the shape of a plate and the line above it?
Ta.
Ta. Is it clear? Type.
Yes.
What is the letter that has the shape of letter na? That one of its shape is the shape of letter na. After fa, it's after fa. What's the letter after fa?
Fa.
Qa, okay? This is what?
Na.
Na. So na, look at ba. Ba point below, na point above. Your name, the first letter of your name?
Ha.
Yes, ha, okay? This is what?
Wa.
This is what?
Ya.
Yeah. This is what?
Ma.
This is what?
La.
Great. Did you get the letters now as a starting point?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the short sounds and long sounds. In this lecture, I want you to arrive to something in the online quiz, or if you figured out the worksheet, we have to underline short sounds, underline long sounds, and know the forms. Only these 3 questions.
Okay.
Let me first go to the short sounds before I go to the forms. It's very easy, the forms, don't worry. I'm just going to choose for you. Each lecture we choose 4 forms to do them, so we can memorize, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Sounds is al-harakat. We call them al-harakat, okay? These are sounds. If you remember, before we leave school, we were talking about fatha, damma, kasra, sukun. Do you still remember?
No.
Okay. I'll put a letter here. What's this letter?
Ah.
Okay. I want to make the short sound of letter A. If I put a line above letter A like this, I make it all of it a short sound, okay? This is fatha, fatha. The line above line, but it's not a straight line, it's an oblique line. If I put a fatha above the letter, it's A, shortly A, okay?
Okay.
How do you move your mouth shortly to the up? Because you're moving above, it's up, okay? A. Clear to you? Fatha, up. Type. What's the opposite of fatha? If I want to put now this down, okay? I move this till it becomes E. 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 This is kasra. Okay?
Okay.
So we have till now, what do we have, Heidi?
We have fatha and kasra.
Fatha, fatha, fatha.
Fatha and kasra.
Kasra. Fatha is where?
Above.
Kasra is where?
Above the letter.
Kasra, kasra, kasra. Fatha is above.
Oh, kasra. Below the letter.
Okay. Okay. Do you see this shape now? What will I do? I'll put the shape of damma now. This is damma that has the shape of a small comma. Look how do I pronounce this. This is a. My mouth is shortly up. Kasra, E, my mouth is shortly down. Shortly, not
Down.
longly. Okay. Damma, it's to the front. Ooh, it has the shape of the comma. You make your mouth to the front as the shape of comma. Ooh, ooh. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, this is Damma. Now, the last one is Sukun, which is a small circle. The role of this Sukun, when you put it, it's put above the letter, but we call it Sukun. The role of this Sukun makes the letter silent. Yeah, you don't pronounce A, U, E, Say it.
Ugh.
You listen, I'm saying at the end, okay? So, what are these sounds in Arabic? Oh, only the sound, I didn't go to short sounds. What are the sounds in Arabic?
Harakat.
Harakat. No, what are, I don't know, don't need you to memorize it, just mention them.
Okay.
Fatha. Okay.
Kasra.
Kasra.
Dama.
Okay.
And sukun.
Okay. Let me write this, and I want you now to mention to me how do we read them, okay? And a letter.
Okay.
What did I do here? I put the letter plus this haraka, which is the sound. All of this makes a short sound, okay? The letter with the thing above or below it, it makes a short sound. Yeah.
Okay.
Yalla. Read.
A. U.
Follow your mouth. U shortly. It has the shape of comma. Down. This.
E.
And?
A.
Do you want to try another letter? Yalla. Ba. Make it for me. Do you want to write them? Let's write them. Try to write them. Heidi? Heidi? Still with me? Yalla, Heidi, back.
Okay. Hello.
Hello. Yalla, Heidi. Do you want to annotate and write the short sounds of ba? Yalla.
Ba.
Yes.
Okay, so ba. Boo.
Boo.
B.
B.
Alright. Bah.
Beh, 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 beh.
Bah.
Look here. Beh. Always you are ending with beh. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, add to me the sounds here. Annotate by writing the sounds. You know how to annotate. Yeah, right. Just write.
Okay.
Put for me the sounds, the 4 sounds.
What sounds?
I mean, you put the fatha, damma, kasra, sukun.
Before what?
This is the letter ba. Where do you put the fatha? Where do you put the kasra? Where do you put the sukun?
Oh, fatha we put above.
Yalla, put it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
How do I do it?
Just annotate.
I can do that.
Yes, go above. Go above.
Okay.
You found it?
Pen.
Okay, above the letter. Heidi, here. You see the letter ba above it, please.
Yeah, okay.
But this is so big. This is so big, يعني. It has to be short like this. Okay? The second one is what?
The dama.
Yes, write it. With a small circle, dear, okay? Small circle like the comma. Third one.
Okay. is the kasra.
Where do we put it?
Below.
Below, obliquely. Do it obliquely, not a straight line. Below that point here. Yes, exactly. And
the sukun.
Sukun is what?
The circle.
Yes, exactly.
But
Did you
smaller.
understand the short sounds now, yeah, Heidi?
Yes.
Letters and short sounds, okay? Yeah. Long sounds. Look, Heidi. I have this fatha, short sound, okay? Here I am going to make a long sound. Type. If you say here, ba plus fatha, ba, short sound. Make long sound for ba.
Ba.
Make it long. Make it long.
Ba.
Yes. Type. If you want to change the short sound into the long sound, what do you do, Heidi? What should we cross?
The
fat.
The line over it.
The fatha. Okay?
Yes.
Always, if I want to change from short sound into long sound, I cross fatha, damma, kasra, or sukun. But what do I put instead of it? If you are saying ba, you notice that when you're saying ba, your mouth is up. Which letter goes for the when your mouth is up? Tell me which letter goes up. Yes. But you don't use this that has hamza. You use this that has a long sound only without hamza, without this head above it. So instead of this, you add ba. But look, Heidi, you don't write it like this, ba. Okay? Not like this. Look at the forms of letter ba in order to remember. We have forms. The letter has forms. Forms written at the beginning, form written in the middle, form written at the end. Because when it's at the beginning, it has one hand. If it's in the middle, it has two hands. If it's at the end, it has one hand. Okay.
One hand.
Letter ba at the beginning, it's like this. You remember?
Yes.
In the middle, it's like this. You remember?
Yes.
At the end, it has two forms. Either when it's separated or either it's when it is connected, you have to add just a line to it. These are the forms, okay? If you want to form the long sound, what do you do, Heidi? Look, you choose the form of the letter that is at the beginning. I choose now ba, okay? And I add to it, it becomes ba. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. The same forms, ba has the same, ba, ta, tha, na are the same as ba, like this. The same way. Okay? So this is ba. So the first one, this is the first one, which is ba. So as a short sound, this is fatha. Delete the fatha to make it a long sound. Just add to the letter a. Okay? Let's go to the second one. Watch this.
Ba.
No, what's the sound?
No, it's bakh.
No, it's a comma shape. This is not a sukun. Comma.
The comma shape is bu.
Bu. We call it, what do we call this?
Dama.
Damma. Type. Which letter in Arabic goes for damma? Make it long. Make this bu longly.
We delete the dama.
And say it. Pronounce first. Pronounce.
We
Bu?
delete the bu.
Okay, say bu, but say it longly. You're saying bu shortly. Say it longly.
Bu.
Bu. Type. If I delete the damma, what do I put instead of it to make it long sound?
The
No,
the
boo.
long
How are you moving your mouth? Boo. A goes up. A goes up longly. Which letter goes to the front from these?
The wa.
Wa. Did you notice that wa has the same shape of damma?
Yes.
Okay. So the damma is changed into wa. How do we write bu now? Write it.
Okay.
First, look here. First, let me help you. Write for me the form of letter ba at the beginning. How do we write the letter ba at the beginning? Just me, let me help you. Okay, where do we put the point?
Above the line.
No, this is not. If it's above, it's not. Where do we put the point?
Oh.
Below. Below, exactly. What I add to it to make it a long sound?
Wa.
Yalla. Join them together. Yes, excellent. Did you get it?
Yes.
Do you think the sukun, which is a short sound, has a long sound? Do you think it has a long sound? If you say bih, does bih has a long sound?
No.
So the sukun doesn't have a long sound. Remember this in the exam, huh?
Okay.
Okay. Now read this.
Which one?
Yeah.
What am I reading?
Here, this one.
Okay. It's
what?
B.
B. Okay. B. What does it become? B. This kasra goes for what in the long sound? Dhamma goes for wa. Fatha goes for a. Now the kasra goes for what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it clear? So
Yes.
Heidi as a, Haida, what do we do now to change this B into a long sound?
We remove the yeah.
We remove the kas.
We remove the E from B.
What do we remove?
The E.
Not
the
E,
short
kasra.
sound. Kasra.
Okay, we remove the kasra and we put instead of it what?
Yeah.
So what do? You choose this form at the beginning, okay? And then you attach ya. Yani if I bring in the exam ba and is this a long sound, a form of a long sound?
No.
No. Is it clear? They have to be connected. So the letters that make a long sound, remember Miss Malak told me this will come tomorrow in the exam. What are the letters that make a long sound?
A.
Yes.
Wa. And ya.
So a and wa and ya, when they are added to the letter, they make a long sound. A goes for fatha, wa goes for dhamma, ya goes for kasra, and sukun doesn't have a long sound. If you saw a letter and above it is sukun, it doesn't have a long sound. Got it?
Yes.
Yalla. Read. Read now alone.
Okay.
Yalla. I want to arrive to reading now. But just read to me these. This letter is what first? Let me make it easier to you. This letter is what?
Ra. No. Fa.
Fa. Okay. This is fa at the beginning. Okay. Part of it. Just you to choose part of it. Fa in the middle. Okay. The initial letter, is always at the end, separated. Okay, and the second one will be connected like this. Just you add a tail. These are the 4 forms, okay? Now, what did I do? This is fa. I'll erase again.
Fa.
Look here. I'll just write them here. Can you read them?
Yes.
Yalla, read.
Fa.
Longly. Yalla, make it long.
Fa.
Yes? Okay, this is fa. It's going, how do you see the shape? Fa plus what? What?
Wa.
So how do you read it with wa? How do you move your mouth when you read with wa? To the front. Yalla.
Yes. Fwa.
Fu.
Fu.
In order to know how to read it, Heidi, remember fu. Fu shortly. Fu, fi. Dhamma goes for wa. Fatha goes for a. And now, the last one is what?
Fya.
Read it.
Fya.
Fi. No. How do you read fi? Fa with kasra?
Kasra is fi.
Read it longly.
Fi.
Yes. Did you get it?
Fi. Yes.
Another example, or you got it?
I got it.
Yes. Are you enjoying?
Yes.
It's very nice. So next time we start taking words, but these words, we memorize them and know how to read them. So we can know how to write it from the beginning of the time. Okay, let's read the words. Let's try to read. Okay? يلا يا Heidi.
Which one?
This. Do you want me to use another letter if you're not seeing it? Here. Read.
Ma.
Read it. Bravo. Read it together.
Uma.
In reading, you said okay? Another one. Is mother, if you remember. Yalla, read.
Ummi.
Yes. Why? Because the ma and ya doesn't have sounds above it, so this is a long sound. Excellent. Ummi is my mother. Okay? Yalla, read this.
Okay. That's Bukh.
Read it together. Ab. Which means father. Yalla, my father. Again.
My father. Abi.
Bravo. Wow. Abi is my father. Brother. Brother. Yes. Say it. Yes. Read it. Akh. طيب. Sister. Yes.
I don't know.
This is kha. The same.
And ta.
Yes. Kha and ta. Yalla, read it. Ukht. So how is reading with you now?
Easier.
Yes. But we have to move step by step. Later on, we make step by step, we move harder. Look here, let us go to the forms at the beginning, middle, or end. Because there are 27 letters and it's very hard for you to memorize them all. Just first, let's use ba, ta, the similar ones, okay? Tha, okay? Ba, ta, tha, and na, okay?
Okay.
These we are taking now the similar forms. Look here. You have ba at the beginning, okay? This is the ba. This is the ba, or this is ta, or this is ta. I'm going to explain them together because they are the same, okay? Ba at the beginning, okay? Write ta at the beginning. Write for me ta at the beginning. Yeah. The same as ba. What do you put us above it? What do you put above it? A?
A dot.
Not dot. Ta is a lot.
For a ta. Ta is the line. I cannot write.
What? You wrote it here, but just you add a line above it. Yes, exactly. طيب. If I move it to the middle, what do I do? It's very easy. What do I do if I move it to the middle? What do I attach? Do it by yourself.
2 hands.
Yeah, add the other hand to it. You attach a hand from this side, you attach it to the other side. Did you write it? I didn't see it.
Yes.
Where?
It's in the middle.
This is ta, okay? What is the second hand? You didn't write that. Ah, okay, you wrote this. Okay, it's the same as ta and the same as ta, okay? At the end, see at the end how's letter ba? It's the same when it's separated from the letter before it. Ba, ta, and ta. I told you at the end you have two forms of the letter. Of the letters that has four forms. Like, look, Heidi, we have letters that has four forms, letters that has only two forms, okay? Okay, Heidi, I take here ta, okay? This is ta. Okay, the ta that is separated at the end, it's like this. The ta that is connected at the end is like this. The letter that has four forms at the end, when do we use it? When we shouldn't attach it to a letter before it? When we have these. A, Ra, Za, Da, Tha, and Wa. These five letters only has two forms, Heidi. They cannot be connected to the letter after it. So if I ask you, Heidi, something, for example, this is Ba at the end and this is Ba at the end, okay? If I ask you, Heidi, you have A before it, which one do you choose? The first one or the second one?
The second one.
Yes. So tell me, what are the letters that has two forms?
The letters that have two forms.
Only two forms. Yalla.
A.
Yes.
The Ra.
Ra. Then.
Za.
Then. What's this? Da.
Da.
Then. Tha.
Tha. Wa.
Wa. So these five five letters that you see, Heidi, they only have two forms. If this question comes in the exam, you have to mention them all, okay?
Okay.
What do you do? Why do they have the two forms? You know the letter A here, okay? And just you add a line from this. This is the letter Za, Ra, you add a line from above. Za, you add a line from above. Da, you add a line down, okay? Tha, you add a line down. Wa, you add a line here. Is it clear? They have two forms. Yani they cannot be connected to the letter after it.
Okay.
Exactly clear?
Yes.
Do we do the worksheet now? 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. How was the lesson?
Easy.
Yes. But every lesson we must redo again the forms.
Okay.
This will help you, Heidi, a lot in reading and in progressing in Arabic for later.
Okay.
Yes. I'm going to share a screen now. Tell me if the screen is in front of you. Heidi, you're going to write, huh? We're going to solve it all, but you're going to write, okay? I need you to know how to write. Transform the short sounds into long sounds. Here you have what?
I have.
Which letter?
Da.
No, banana shape.
Ra.
Ra. Okay. This Ra, I want you to make it long sound. If you say Ra, make it long sound. Write it.
Ra.
Yalla, write it. I want just not on just reading. I want writing.
Okay.
Yalla, write. Okay. What did you do, Heidi? What did we say about, what are the letters? Let's put the letters that has two forms. Mention them to me. A.
Da.
Da.
Dam.
Da. Then.
Ra.
Ra.
Wa.
Wa and Za. What did you do here? And I told you, these are the forms. They have two forms, okay? Look here. I'll put it in front of you so you know how to do them. This is the. This is ra. This is wa. And this is the. So these letters has two forms. What did you do here, Heidi? You added a, but you attached ra to the letter after it. Wrong. What should you do? Ra and a. Separated. Got it?
Yes.
Yalla, go to the second one. Bravo. Go to the second one.
That's boo.
Boo. Make it long. Bravo. Excellent. Exactly. Ooh. Excellent. Exactly. Third one. Yal. Third one is what, Heidi?
I don't know.
This is which letter we said?
Sa.
Sa. Okay?
Okay.
How do you read this?
Sa.
Kasra with kasra.
Okay. Kasra.
How do we read it if it's with kasra?
With kasra, it's C.
C. Make it long. See? See? Right. Look here what you do. Look the form of letter sa at the beginning, Heidi. This is sa at the end. Sa at the beginning, just move this. Make it like this only. Yani take part of it. Always at the beginning, I take part of the letter, okay? طيب, this is what?
Ta. No. Na.
Read it with the sukun.
With the sukum is nakh.
Do we have a long sound here?
No.
Excellent. This trick will come in the exam. I'm telling you from now. What's this? I told you there is something that has the shape of the letter na, and we make it like this. What's this? Qa, qa, qa.
Ka.
Qa. Like Heidi, with practice, you know the letters better, okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Qa. What does it become as a long sound?
Ka.
Yalla, write it. How do we write the form of letter Qa at the beginning? Yalla, guess. What should we take part of the letter? How does it become?
The
Try.
like wa.
Try. Yalla, write it. Okay. And what do you put above it? What is the line? Okay. Look what you do. Just look at me. Circle and take it down like this.
Okay.
Okay. It's like, you know, ba, like this at the beginning, and attach to it a circle. Excellent. Is it clear? In the middle, what do you do? The same. Just add another line. It's easy. So, qa, right, attach to it. Make it qa. Yes, excellent. The qa not from this here.
Yeah, but my finger slipped.
No worries. Did you get this question, Heidi? Yeah. Just tell me where are the long sounds. Now here it's very easy. Circle the long sounds in the following words. In this word, circle the long sound. Circle.
Okay. You are not a long sound. That's ya.
No. You circled the whole word. I want you to circle the long sound that is in the word. Did you understand?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. No, this is not a long sound. Long sound. This is a short sound. Long sound.
Okay.
Look here. Let me هيدا نافذة too. Where is the long sound in this word?
Yeah.
This is not yeah, this is na, okay? Point above. So where is the long sound? Circle it.
Oh.
Yes, it's this letter na, and you add to it a. Whenever you say you see a letter and after it a, wa, or ya, and they are not having kasra, damma, and fatha, this is a long sound. In the first one, yal. This is not a long sound. This is a short sound.
No, the one next to it.
You have to make it all of it. Not you are starting from English here, from Arabic. You start from this point.
You know, I'm trying to circle the wow.
This is what? Heidi, read it.
Wow.
No, this and this together.
That's so.
So, yes. Long sound here in this word. Long sound, not on all of it. Heidi, this is a letter that makes a long sound, but with su, it's all of it, okay? This is all of it a long sound. Read it. How do we read it?
So.
Yes. Here. Where is the long sound in this word?
The
The a and the letter before it. You are circling only the letter that is making it. Yes, and what do we have? Or do we have another thing?
Here.
Where?
The one that's the mouse.
But where are you, mouse? Can't you think?
The word next to the one I just circled.
Ah, you mean this?
No.
What?
This word, the ba.
Okay. This ba is not a header. This, look here. This is a short sound or a long sound, the one that I'm circling here. This. Short or long?
Short sound.
Huh?
Short sound.
Okay, what about this?
Which one?
This one is a long sound. This is as a short sound. To make it long, it's ah. This is as a long sound, if you want to know it. Is it clear?
Yes.
So whenever you see this form of this is as a long sound. Okay. So here is the long sound in this word, okay? Read this word, Heidi. Read it. This is sa. I put a hat above it. It becomes what?
A hat above it. Sha.
Yalla, read it.
Which one?
This.
Sha.
Sha.
That's ha.
No, this letter is what?
No, the banana shape. Ra.
Ra is banana shape. Remember, Miss Malak told me Ra is a banana shape.
Da.
Yalla, read it. Da plus ya.
Da. Ya.
Da plus ya. How do we read it? But this is a long sound here.
Ya.
Di.
Oh, di.
Got it? Or I explain
Yes.
again?
I got it.
So, Heidi, this is da, this is ra. Remember, da, ra. Da plus ya, di. Da plus a, da. Da plus wa, do. These are the letters that makes a long sound. But if I tell you to circle the long sound, you have to circle all of it. D. Is it clear?
Okay. Yes.
طيب, here in this word.
What word?
Yes, yeah, I'm writing. Circle for
Okay.
me the long sound. Yes. Okay. You can know the long sound if once you experience a letter doesn't having a short sound below or above it, then just circle it. It's a long sound.
Okay.
Third question. Yalla, short sounds. Letters, this is very easy. Short sounds. Yalla. In the first one, just put underline. Okay. Second one. All the short sounds in the second one. You can put a line, underline, just underline. Okay. Okay, first one.
And the last one.
And yes. After it.
They.
Do we have a
They
short
both
sound?
have long sounds.
They do have long sound. They don't have short sounds. Excellent. The one after it.
I think they have long sounds.
Excellent. Read it. Try to read it. The first letter of your name. The first letter.
Ha.
Ha. What's this letter?
That's da.
Da plus ya. Long sound.
D.
So hadi. Is it clear? This is how do we write your name? But before da, you write ya. Heidi. Yalla, here.
Okay.
Sa. Bravo. Here.
We have here and here.
Bravo. Here.
We have at the end.
And the. Bravo. Here.
That is all.
Yes. Last one. Okay. Now let's go to the last question, which is the forms. I'm just asking you to choose the right answer, multiple choice. Fill in the blanks with the suitable form of the letter. Here you have a letter that has to be filled out where? In the beginning, middle, or end?
Middle.
Middle. Which letter? What's this letter?
Sa.
Sa. Which one do you choose? This one, or this one?
The one in the middle.
Yes, write it in the middle. Because it's preceded by a letter that has 4 forms. If it's preceded by a, ra, za, wa, da, and tha, and the, you have to choose the first one, okay? If it is preceded. Now, the second one, what's this letter?
La.
La. We have to fill it in the middle. Which one do we choose?
The one in the middle.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Bravo. Do you want to try writing the letters, the alphabetical letters? Now, first of all, tell me what's the form of fa. Write for me here the 4 forms of fa. Yalla. Like ka. What do we do? Fa, fa. Fa beginning, fa middle, fa end. Okay, fa in the middle. But look here, look Heidi, but just say, like this, okay?
Yes, I know.
just هيك. Fa at the end. The second one, how it will be connected. Bravo. Wa. Yalla, wa. 2 forms for wa. Yes, and the second one, how? Yes, so you cannot make it Heidi like this. It's wrong because here it doesn't have a tail, okay? You know ba, you know na also we said, you know ta and you know tha and these, okay? Let's try writing the alphabetical letters. Heck, try any alphabetical letters you know and tell me what's the name of each. Yalla.
Okay.
This is an important question. Yalla, right. This is what then.
Ba.
Great.
Ta. Ha.
Ha. Ha, you mean. Yes, yes.
Then we have fa. Что есть? Ra.
Ra, banana shape, like this. Banana shape. If we got back to school, I let you learn how do we write them exactly, okay? Ra, za.
Ra, za.
Wa.
Na.
Na like this. Don't make it like na hek. Like this. Hek, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Shashima.
Ma.
I gotta remember how to draw ma.
Just okay, draw the letters that you remember. Just what did you cut as letters? I don't want to mix you up. This is what ma. Look how do we write ma. Circle down like this. Draw it again.
Yeah.
Bravo, bravo, bravo. I think it's enough as letters for today. In every lecture, what do? We learn new letters, okay, with new forms. How was it?
Good.
Do you want to go back to the letters and read them again, or it's fine?
It's fine.
Okay. I'll put the lecture video. I'll put this recorded video. If you want to watch it for tomorrow, please, because we have online course at 1, okay? It's at 1 p.m., okay? Clear?
Okay. Clear.
How was it?
Easy.
Easy, yes. This will help us very, very important for the next sessions. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
See you.